Where to find receipts in Hertz. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You can simply go to find your receipt option by searching find your receipt in Hertz, which will lead you to this page. Here you need to select reservation or rental agreement or driver's license. Then simply add your number and then your last name. After you've added your last name, press on search. After you press on search, it will show you all the results and you can select your receipt as it appears and print and download if you need one. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is where to find receipts in Hertz. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.